Yo, Cheese Man the Man, and welcome back to a brand new video. I'm currently on my way to the gym. I just had my breakfast. I did not have my full breakfast. I just had 2 oatmeals with 1 full banana. It's currently 9:30 and I'm on my way to the gym early today because later on we're gonna have a friend's 4th of July. So when you guys are watching this, it's going to be 4th of July already. The gym I'm going to GNC to buy a pre-workout. It's not going to be my first time taking it, but it is going to be my first time taking it in a while. GNC's having a 4th of July sale, 20% off. So that's why I'm gonna go steal that deal. So today we got shoulders, triceps, and chest. I have no cameraman, so I'll try my best to record every set. I'm going to time lapse the whole workout. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment down below. Gloves, check. Mask, check. Alright, let's go get this workout on, baby.
Damn, it's running shit. Man, woke up in the morning, tryna get ready. Woke up in the morning, keep it ready. Yeah, every time before I sleep ready. Tell that little scoop 'em up with my Beretta. Yeah, why you talking about fuck, nigga? What you saying that you claiming, nigga? We ain't really play like that, nigga. To this work shit, never like, nigga. Now I'm rolling heavy on the X, nigga. Fuck that shit, daddy claiming.
When you guys are working out by yourself and have no spotter, it's recommended that you guys do not put clips on the side, because if you guys do get stuck on the bottom, you have to just go right here, tilt it, and the weight will fall off, and then the other weight will fall off to put it up.
Gangsters, we be rolling with them gangsters. We be rolling with Berettas. We be rolling with choppers. We be rolling with them gangsters. Later, motherfucker, yeah. Modern bangs in this bitch. Damn, it's my brother, damn, it's all up in the motherfucker with me. You said what? Send it to me, man. It ain't really trying to get this shit yet. That's a long intro, but fucking nigga can't put it yet. Nigga really want for the smoke with me, his whip put it. Nigga looking at it, now it's motherfucking teeth, that bitch is wicked. Yeah, slide when I came up. Slide when a nigga gon' smoke, yeah. Slide when I came up. Slide when a nigga gon' choke, yeah. Slide when I came up. Nigga don't really want smoke, yeah. Slide with a cake up. Nigga, he really talking, but he broke, yeah. Fuck nigga, talk that shit, but he broke. Fuck that nigga, we ain't really fucking with your bro. Fill that shit up in my cup with that bro. Remember the days when them niggas used to say, bro, but came from the bottom, we came from the jungle. You know that we really came up for the Sunday. We turned it for nothing, we came up the Sunday. The money, we get it, we stack it up high. Yeah, little nigga want that fire, man. Little nigga fuck that bitch today. Yeah, that's your fucking girl, but she gon' be my bitch today. Yeah, man, I be tripping off drugs. Man, I be tripping when I pop the itch. Man, yeah, I be feeling real crazy. Feel like I Spider-Man, something like X. Man, yeah, that shit got me crazy. It probably got you fucking tripping, but not. Yeah, cause I've been rolling since I was a youngin'. Fuck nigga, fuck everything you said.
Yeah, and with the money, I'm making it nuts. Stressing my mind, I'm in love with the drugs. Gas in my blunt, got me feeling my lungs. Coming in fresh, you coming in last. Stepping in zone, and I bet you won't last. bitches up, get your bread up, get your niggas up. While your nigga thuggin' and scrubbing for some crumbs. My nigga, we be ballin', we just tryna get money, yeah. We can never give up, oh no. I said, we can never give up, oh no. Yeah. Whole nother kind of feeling, whole nother kind of bitches, whole nother way to get, whole lot of fucking time that I done spent on the wrong things but my fucking life. All that shit I'll never get back in my life. I will never show them if I roll the dice. Can't take no guesses, never roll the dice. Can't never show them I said roll away, we comb away, let your comb away.
Alright guys, so I just got done with my workout. Finished off with some skull crushers and cable flies, but I didn't record them because I want to listen to music. So I'm on my way to GNC to buy that pre-workout because I'm missing out on no sale. Alright guys, so I'm on my way to go buy this pre-workout. I heard Ghost pre-workout is a very good workout to start with. I've been debating about taking pre-workout because of an incident I had a while back, but hopefully it does me good. I just put it at the GNC and hopefully they got what I need. Bubblegum. Bubblicious strawberry, back secure. I chose to get Ghost. My brother recommended it. For those of you who don't know what pre-workout is a dietary supplement used by weightlifters, but not just weightlifters, by athletes to increase endurance, energy, and focus to your workout. This container has 30 scoops, 202 milligrams of caffeine, total sugar 0. Also beta-alanine, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Beta-alanine is a tingling sensation you guys get when you scoop it and you feel all jittery, you know, ready for a workout. The recommended dosage for beta-alanine is 3.2, but if you're a big dude like me, of course you're gonna have to take more so you can catch that feeling. This one has 2000 mg, so that's 2 grams, which is a good start for me since I'm barely starting to take pre-workout. Shout out GNC, if you're a pro member, you get a lean bar. This is the one I got, Cookie Scout. Shout out my brother for letting me use his number. You guys are probably thinking, damn, Cheese, you need a haircut. Well, I'm about to go home, take a quick shower, and my homie Albert's about to take care of me. So see you guys at the barbershop. You already know. You already know.
Thinking about the money, that's my new face. Fuck him and come with me, I'll take your soul into a new place. Your life with me is better, we gon' have nothing but good days. I got no time, so baby tell me what the deal is. I'm just trying to get money, so I think that it's time to end this. They said that love is beautiful, man, I call this shit a sickness. And you know you growing up.
Shout out my homie Albert for keeping me clean every 2 weeks. I'm gonna link his ad right here. Make sure y'all text him to book an appointment. Yo, happy 4th everyone. Make sure you guys stay safe today. Make sure to be cautious and check your surroundings before popping your fireworks. I don't want any of you guys to get hurt. 12 better not pull up today because we bought $2,000 worth of fireworks, baby. So I'd be upset if they told us we can't pop them. I'm about to cook up my usual breakfast and hit the gym. Today we got back and biceps. I'll see you guys when I'm at the gym.
Feel the time away, do some time away with the wrong place. Yeah, I swear to God, wrong time, wrong place. Yeah. Get your money up, get your bitches up, get your bread up, get your niggas up. While your nigga thuggin' and scrubbing for some crumbs. My nigga, we be ballin', we just tryna get money, yeah. We can never give up, oh no. I said, we can never give up, oh no.
We are. I'm scared.